My name is Rosalia Adamo. I did my undergraduate degree at the UofT St. George campus. I had a double major in nutritional sciences and human biology. I am now in the mmpa program, and I know it's a big jump from science to business, but it's been a great experience so far. In my undergrad, I saw myself either pursuing a career as a medical doctor or research. So I tried these types of career paths out. I did some volunteer research at hospitals, volunteered in the dialysis department at Humber River Hospital, but it just wasn't the right fit for me. And I wanted to explore the business path, and I loved mmpa because it attracted students and was interested in having students from these different educational backgrounds. Another attractive feature about the mmpa program is that it offers a CPA accredited pathway. So we are doing Capstone 1 with our peers and our fellow classmates, which is a really big plus for me. There's a bunch of opportunities for scholarships in the mmpa program. So firstly, there are entrance scholarships, and this is based on your cumulative GPA from undergrad. There's also scholarships once you're in the program, and based on your performance both academically and also interpersonal and communication type of performance. For instance, there's the PwC Fellowship Award, and that acknowledges students that have demonstrated great leadership and interpersonal and communication skills. There's the Directors List Award, and that's based on academic performance, as well as scholarships like the mmpa Class of 1999 Scholarship and the Ontario Graduate Scholarship. My personal experience with the application process was, it was a really good one. I was coming from UofT, and I had a cumulative GPA that was greater than 3.5 from my undergrad, so I got the GMAT waived. Also, little things like my transcript were easier to submit because I was coming from UofT. One thing I want to encourage students is to apply early, because mmpa accepts students on a rolling basis, and their scholarships are on a first come, first served basis. mmpa program is offered at the UTM campus. It's an amazing campus. Firstly, there is a great opportunity for you to balance your school life with fun. For instance, there's a beautiful renovated gym available. I know when I'm really stressed out, I would go to the spin classes offered by UTM. The other big plus about the UTM campus is it is about 30 minutes from the downtown core of Toronto. There's also shuttle buses available that'll bring you to the St. George campus. That's a huge plus if you're looking to explore downtown Toronto, also see the beautiful campus down at St. George. The other good thing about UTM is that many of the buildings have been fully renovated. We also have a finance lab, which is an excellent resource, especially when you're doing your case competition. My first year of mmpa was quite interesting because we had the COVID-19 pandemic. So for about 1.5 months of my co-op, I was actually working from home. Then we had a little bit of time off before we started our summer semester with mmpa, and that was fully online. The mmpa teaching staff were amazing with this change that we had to implement. They really made the effort to listen to student inputs, and they welcomed them, and they tried to make our transition from in-class to online as easy as possible for the students. The mmpa faculty is amazing. We are honestly being taught by the best in their field. They take such complex concepts or ideas, and they present them in such a clear way that it makes learning them so much easier. They're always there if you want to talk after class, if you need something re-explained. All of them have been great with emails. They answer within 24 hours. The whole teaching staff is just very welcoming and embrace questions. There's also TAs available and tutorials for extra help. All of these things make navigating the busy schedule a lot easier. I entered the mmpa program with the 2-year plus foundation term. In the foundation term, we had an excellent course called Presentation for Self with Ann Noble, and this really helped us prepare our resumes, cover letters, and we also had the opportunity to do mock interviews, and that made the actual interview experience much less nerve-wracking. The placement team, Debbie, Sheil, and Wesley, are super supportive. Their doors are always open. You can always go in there. They give you that boost of confidence when the interviews are coming and you're so nervous. They're always available to brush up your cover letters, brush up the resumes. The whole placement team is so supportive, and they really guide everyone through this nerve-wracking time of co-op placement.